Hello, my friend. In this video, we will compare the features and main uses of the AirPods Pro 2 and the AirPods 4, so you can choose between the two with clarity. So, here's the deal. AirPods Pro 2 main features. The noise cancellation is legit. It cuts out about twice as much noise compared to other models. Transparency mode lets you hear what's going on around you without taking them off. H2 chip gives you a more immersive sound. Think better bass and clearer highs. 6 hours of battery life, but you can get up to 30 hours with the charging case. Comes with customizable ear tips XS to L, so they'll fit just right. They're sweat, water, and dust resistant, perfect for workouts or rainy days. Conversation. Awareness automatically lowers the volume when someone's talking to you. The personalized spatial audio makes the sound feel like it's all around you. Adaptive audio seamlessly mixes noise cancellation and transparency mode depending on where you are. And yeah, MagSafe charging with USB-C, so it's ready for the future. AirPods 4. Main features. No active noise cancellation on the base model, but there's an upgraded version with ANC if you want it. It's got the same H2 chip for solid sound and call quality. Battery is a bit less, 5 hours, but still gets up to 30 hours with the case. Smaller, lighter design that's made to stay comfy all day. Also sweat, dust, and water resistant. You still get that 3D sound with personalized spatial audio. The charging case is 10% smaller and uses USB-C, finally, right? Controls are super easy, just tap for music and calls. Siri is always ready to help, just say, "Hey Siri," but no fancy conversation awareness or adaptive audio here. Who should get what? If you want top-tier noise canceling, awesome sound, and a bunch of features for different environments, the AirPods Pro 2 is your go-to. But if you just want reliable, great-sounding earbuds for everyday use without breaking the bank, the AirPods 4 gets the job done. Final take. Honestly, if you're all about that noise cancellation and immersive sound, go for the Pro 2. But for a more chill, budget-friendly option, AirPods 4 is a solid pick. Either way, you can't really go wrong. It's Apple after all. For more details about these products and other options too, check the links in the video description. Hey friend, if you found this helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. It was very nice talking to you. See you next.